Hey guys, it's me again, and today I got two items, and one of this is the poster come with the Growl albums and a special limited editions poster, and I think the quality is pretty good. Did you see? And just like the postcards quality, it's pretty thick and hard and quite big. And also I finally get it as the real Nature Republic photo cards. I got Tanya and Pekyan from the Instagram seller. And my Sehun's photo card is coming soon, also with the hand cream set. It's come from Korea, and I have another package come from China. Is my Chanyeol SAB photo book. Also have a fans art book. Also come with the same package. And I got this, finally got it. It's so expensive, about 45 US dollar, I think, something. Okay, it's the quality seems like the original album's photo card. And this is mango, apple mango. Wow, interesting taste. And Chanyeol, my bias, yoo-hoo, I got it. And this is avocado. What is this? I don't know how to read it. Okay, and these two cards. It's so expensive. And I have got this poster, and I need to open it up. So wait a moment, please. Oh, how can I cut it? It is very oh, it's okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this is my poster, and I need to put something to move it. Wait. Wow, it's pretty big. Oh my god. Please wait a moment because I need to open it. Okay. Oops. Focus. Oh. Okay, it's better. And wow, it's so cool. I love this. Okay, let's look at this. This is shining. EXO the first class. Originations of this team of EXO. Okay. And you will see Old Town. And also we will got the autograph in the poster, but I think it's not the real signature in here. Okay, Tao, Sehun, Lei, Kai, Dio, Chen, Chanyeol, and Xiumin right here with the autograph here. Luhan, Soho, oh my god, Pekyan, Ceci, and Chris. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this, and a pretty cool quality. So yes, here is my package, and I will upload my another package come from China these 2 days, I think, if I have got the package on time. So yep. Well, I think the style is not the same. Okay, and I just waited for this. Pekyan here with the back paper. So, and see you next time. Maybe just next week. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.